And welcome back to a new video. And a while ago, I uploaded a lot of videos regarding structures and international structures around the world. And I just thought I'd drop base into a very simple structure here and just outline a very simple structure, right? So simply speaking, we have a Cook Islands Trust, Cayman Islands Holding Company, and two cash flow businesses. Now, if you're not too sure how a trust works, there's a licensed trustee, usually a law firm, beneficiaries, and a settler. This settler is usually yourself. And again, recommended for you to be living in still a low tax jurisdiction. Doesn't get around that issue right there. But in terms of asset protection, this is a very key element of structuring yourself and your wealth around the world. Now, the beneficiaries, if you don't know, it's pretty simple. It is people such as yourself, maybe your kids, maybe a charity, maybe another company. Right? This is the Cook Islands Trust. Now, it's an excellent vehicle in asset protection because of the specific rules based in the Cook Islands. Right? So, foreign court judgments are not accepted, which is very key in the modern day economy, right? So we've seen clients, we've been growing a lot at HPT Group, and we've seen clients have ex-business partners come from in terms of court cases, stuff like this. Now, also, we have seen a lot of clients lead towards the Cayman Islands in terms of holdings. Now, it's usually, it's very known to be, for IP, royalty, and sometimes to even have substance there, such as an office presence, local staff, and that essentially holds assets. It can also hold bank accounts, it can hold stock portfolios, it can hold pretty much anything you want. So when you think of all of these structures, whether it's onshore or offshore, we generally have three legal bodies. Now, that is you as a legal body, the corporations, or a trust. Very similar things. We can all own stuff on paper, and that's what these structures are actually used for. Now, as you can see in this example, we've got property 1 and property 2. So it simply owns these. And I'll make another video on how you can own a property through an overseas company. But you can then see here a property management business. So this owns properties and then owns a subsidiary that manages those properties, whether it's on Airbnb, holiday lets, long-term lets. This is then receiving income for this rent here. And obviously, properties it owns, maybe it's renting the property from this one here, or the certain IP, domains, trademarks, whatever it is, their funds would then flow back up into here. Okay, then the funds then go back up into the Cook Islands Trust. Now, this is for someone here who is not a US passport holder and is not a UK tax resident, just to make you aware. So this operational consulting biz here, it maybe does, $2-3 million a year, $500K a year, even $200K a year. So this right here is also then owned by this Cayman Islands Holding. And again, the money is extracted and goes back into here. Not all of it, but most of it. And then again, the rest of it, again, you can then do the simple business costs, for example, maybe plane tickets, travel tickets, business expenses that are widely accepted. Okay. So this is what we actually do for clients at HPT. We design a structure as well as CBI programs, help you get licensing if you need to. We do a lot of different variations and we're very broad in our services. I think I'll just pull up a website here. This is HPT Group right here. This is the enterprise which I'm recording this video from. And again, you can book a free call down below and check out the website as well. Check out the links in the description. But we do fintech licensing and VOSP advisory, KYC, AML and compliance infrastructure, tax residency support, which is essentially helping you relocate around the planet. International banking, and again, you can click on all these and we've got loads of PDFs you can actually download about setting up bank accounts in, let's say, for example, in Mauritius, very common to have a non-residential account. We do offshore trust structuring and then company formations as well. So these locations were just an example. It's all case by case, and obviously that's how we help our clients. So if you did obviously want some help with that, please go ahead and watch my other videos, or just simply book a meeting with me down below, and we'll see if we can actually work together. Hopefully we can do, and you can become a client of ours. We work with our clients very closely around the world. And yeah, other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video, and have a good day, and I'll speak soon.